Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're on the other part of the kitchen that we talked about last week. And this area here is now our kitchen with a nice pantry, cabinets all the way to the ceiling, obviously. So lots of storage to the left of the fridge, which is great for many, many things. Good sized fridge that originally was where the camera is, hidden in a wall here. So it allowed us more counter space to the right of the stove. So we basically, this is where the old kitchen table was until we opened up the wall, moved the fridge over, still probably 48 inches in between the wall and the fridge. So lots of walking room here. Great working kitchen. And then into this area here, we have a bank of 3 pot and pan drawers, or storage. One actually in here is the bottom one is for the barbecue and accessories. So it gets it up from underneath the stove, and now they have an actual full pantry cabinet that they can use for all their exterior stuff. In countertops too, we always talk about this. This is a laminate countertop, but you'd be hard pressed to know it's a laminate countertop when you look at it. It actually looks like granite. So it is an alternative now. A lot of people are going to laminate, and it's certainly something to look at when you're actually picking a countertop. And we radius this. Emily did a great job with the radius on this, so it gives you lots of storage. And I mean, even if you're handing things over for the table over here, you have a great area to put it before you actually move it over if something's hot. Flooring in here, we had our good friends at Floor Trends come in and they put the flooring down for us, and as you can see, did a terrific job. It's a darker floor, and that's what a lot of customers want now. They want a darker floor with a wider cabinet and typically even a lighter countertop. So it has a nice flow to it and has a very muted wall color in here as well. And the backsplash will be done, actually it just showed up today. We just finished this, I believe, on Friday. And the clients came and picked their backsplash, and so hopefully we'll get this done within the next 2 or 3 days, and it'll be completely finished. Lastly in here too is just, rental like this, we talked to the clients about electrical and plumbing and relocation, and they just said it's amazing how efficient we were in actually getting the process together. And it's because of all the people that we use in this. They're really qualified. They know what they're doing. They get in and out, and we have a schedule of events, so everything just ticks along quite nicely. So thanks to everybody that was involved in the project. It takes a lot of people to make a project like this as good as it is, and thanks to the client, because I always say it's easy to do a great job for great clients.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen Bath Centre. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.